Scores of hotel workers are livid this evening after claiming that taxes deducted from their salaries have not been paid over to the government. Workers reportedly became aware of the problem as they tried to access benefits from government's relief program for those facing hardships due to COVID-19. More from Dwayne Anderson.
The staff of some hotels have more in common than they would like in this COVID-19 crisis. That's because, in addition to being without a job, some have now found out that deductions they have been paying for years have not been handed over to the state by their employers. As a result, the state has little to no evidence that these persons were even employed. This means they are unable to access money from the government's supporting employees with transfer of cash, set cash program. The workers would have been able to access $54,000 under the program. Now, among those companies being blasted by its workers is a prominent St. James-based hotel. The workers are this evening demanding answers. One of them spoke with our news centre.
All employees were laid off just after the coronavirus came in Jamaica. Yes, we decided to apply for the set cash because the government keep talking about it and everything. So after applying, we keep receiving emails to gain feedbacks so we can check our status. However, this morning up to yesterday, I checked it, nothing came back.
The hotel employee says the management has not been cooperating.
This morning, whenever most of us checked it, it's saying that we are not on a payroll with the government. We have a work group that we text in, so we try to find clarity from the heads. They're going around so many corners, and they are saying they're going to try explain as soon as possible. However, this morning I checked the system. The system is saying that we are not a part of government payroll. We are not a part of the government payroll. They are not paying tax. The hotel itself is not paying tax.
Over in Negril, Westmoreland, the plight is similar. Nearly 40 workers from one hotel in the resort town are in limbo. No work, and they too can't get the funds on offer from the government, as no record of their deductions exist.
And it was not being paid, and they joined every week. No NIS, no nothing, we didn't get any pay or anything like that. That was basically the issue, because we weren't able to get any money from the government because there was no tax being paid.
The Minister of Finance and the Public Service, Dr. Nigel Clark, has explained that one criterion for the benefit is that employers would have to verify that in the last 3 months they have filed statutory deductions on behalf of their employees. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.